Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, tap the like button if you like this video. I do all sorts of unboxings, clothing, jewelry, beauty. I do it. I know there's a new wine box out there, so might get tempted to do that one too. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I do appreciate your loyalty to my channel. And for my brand new subscribers, thank you so much. So the unboxing today is a Stitch Fix. The last couple I got, I have fit issues, so I'm hoping. I started my diet because, as I said, my son's getting married and I need to find the mother of the groom dress. It needs to be blue, and I have looked everywhere to find a blue dress that I think would be appropriate to fit me. So if you have any suggestions, I'll take them. So let's see what we got going on this one. If you don't know, Stitch Fix is a monthly subscription box. It's $20 styling fee that you do get to apply towards anything that you purchase. They have this new styling pass out there, and they just renewed mine. It's $49 for the whole year. That goes towards anything I purchase, and then I don't have to pay the styling fee. So super nice. So when it comes in, it comes no shipping and a return label to ship it back. And it looks like a little bundle. Oh, so this is what it looks like. And I'm dropping things at you. It comes with a note from your stylist. I've had Kat now for a bunch of my styles, and she's trying so hard to work with me. So I do adore her. Then there's going to be the price sheet that nobody likes to look at. So let's see if I have the same stylist. Yes, I do. She did apologize. I'm so sorry that you didn't love the pieces in your last delivery. And I didn't request anything. And I watch a lot of YouTubers unbox a Stitch Fix, and I've attempted to get like their exact fix, and it never happens. So let's break into this. Sorry for the loud noises. As it says, I love to film outside, but it comes with everything that's going around me. The first thing is a pair of black pants. They look a little dressier. You can see they've got the line down there, and I'm taking it out, and it has so much lint. It looks like hair on it. So it's kind of giving me a clue that will happen to me. These are the violet and roses. They're in a size 8. So they look like they would fit, except I really have nowhere to wear these to. I'm looking for jeans, you know, things that I would probably wear more than a nice pair of pants. But then when you put your clothes on and you see that they look good, you change your mind. The next thing looks really cute. It's by Letty and Me, Aubrey braid back cardigan. It's in a navy size large. So I don't know. You could see the crisscrossing, and then the back has the crisscrossing. That is really cute. Looking forward to trying that on. Next thing is by, can't read, Brina and M. It's just a cute little, looks like a peasant top. The colors are great. It's got that type of sleeve, so that's nice. Ooh, I don't know if this goes with it. It's a Mixed by 41 Hawthorne Paulson knit top in olive, size large. I'm not a big olive person, but if I do find something that looks good on me, I will throw it in the closet. It's very soft. It looks like they'll probably be maybe 3/4 sleeve. Just a plain green shirt. So far so good. The last thing is by Pink Clover. It is Savannah button detail pullover in gray, size large. So again, a very basic piece. It has these really nice buttons. It's, you know, starting to get warm out here. So I don't know how much use that I will have for the sweaters, but you never know. So I am gonna go try these on. Keep your fingers crossed that they fit. And before I do that, I just want to remind you I have a giveaway. I will link the video. I already posted the video, so I'll link the video. So if you want to enter the giveaway and find out what it is, I will take care of that for you. So I'll be right back with the try on. Okay, I am back with the first outfit. And I was wrong about the pants. I'm loving the pants, although I have nowhere to wear them to. But I have on the Dina bootcut trousers, and they're in navy, size 8, and they're $58. And then I am wearing the Pink Clover button detail pullover, gray, size large, for $38. So let me know what you think. These are the sleeves, so I can like push them up if it gets too warm, but this is so soft. So let me know what you think. And now I'll try to show. Okay, I am back with the last two things. This is the Bloody and Me black detail cardigan, or back detail cardigan in navy, size large. It's 44. And then the Brina and M Lemmy V neck top in off-white, size large, and that's $38. So the prices on this box were great. So let me know what you think. I'm really kind of loving this sweater. I can definitely wear it here when the nights get cooler. Let's see if I can show you the detail on the back. I don't know if you can see the detail on the back of the sweater, but I'm kind of liking it. And then this is the shirt. I wasn't too sure about it because it's really like not my style, but I have it on with those blue pants. Again, I would have nowhere to wear this outfit. So, let's see if I can lower it, but I kind of like it. So I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. I kind of liked everything. It's just that I don't need everything. If I got the whole fix, it's $216. You buy 5, you get the 25% off, it's $54. Then the subtotal would be $162, which isn't bad for 5 pieces. But I really love these navy trousers, I just don't have anywhere to wear them. So I'm gonna think about them. And if anything, I am going to keep that navy cardigan because I like that one. So I really have to do some thinking here. So please comment below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know if you like the pants. You might have to invite me over so I have somewhere to wear the pants. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I will leave the link for my giveaway, and have an awesome day.